everybody. Here is an explanation about the communicative task number 1. I want to show you here that you can find the communicative task here in Braille space. If we go there, let me check something. If we go there, sorry. Alguien me está mandando mensajes. Okay, and you go here to my last trips. You have to create a PowerPoint or a Prezi or a Canva or whatever application you want to use, but taking into account that you must use simple past and present perfect tenses. And in this class, I'm going to ask you about an international or national destination you have visited, telling some aspects about it. For example, you're going to talk about what places have you visited. If you say, I have visited Cartagena, you have to tell me what places you have visited in Cartagena or what places you haven't visited in Cartagena, and you have to tell me about the food, you have to tell me about the activities, and in general you have to tell me about the experience, how your trip experience has been, and you have to prepare in order to answer questions, responder preguntas, answer questions about your presentation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on Monday. Goodbye.